Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Dave's Hot Chicken order pickup. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So there are multiple options in order to order Dave's Hot Chicken. One of them is online ordering by visiting the official Dave's Hot Chicken website to place an order for pickup, or you can use a mobile app for in-person pickup. What you can do is find the location, use the location app or page to find the nearest Dave's Hot Chicken restaurant, and once you're there, what you need to do is place an order and then use the self-service to pick up your order. And that's basically how you can order pickup at Dave's Hot Chicken. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.